Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Boxed Home 12-pack mixing bowls and lids set. It was time to replace our mixing bowls, so I went on a hunt to find a new set that would work for my needs. I was so excited to find this Boxed Home set. These bowls are made of BPA-free plastic, and they are also microwavable and dishwasher safe. One of my favorite parts is that the bowls can nest inside each other, kind of like those little nesting dolls. There's a bowl inside a bowl with another bowl inside of the bowls. Plus, the lids also nest inside with the bowls, so that's really nice. So I don't have to worry about figuring out where to store all the bowls and losing the lid somewhere in my drawer. The Boxed Home bowls come with several different color options. The one that I have right here, this is my favorite color, so I chose the Haze blue variety. The set comes with 12 pieces, which is basically 6 bowls and 6 lids. The bowl sizes are 4.5 inches, 5.9 inches, 7.3 inches, 8.7 inches, 10 inches, and 11.8 inches. So I have options from storing leftovers to mixing up big batches of cookies or something like that. So far, I'm loving my new bowl set, and I'm excited to start using it for different things. If you are looking for a mixing bowl set with the lids that are convenient to store and use, be sure to take a look at this.